Are you curious to know the most coolest gadgets on Amazon? Through this video, let's just discover a world where innovation meets convenience with Amazon's latest lineup of gadgets. From sleek designs to cutting-edge technology, these devices are engineered to simplify your life and elevate your everyday experiences. Let's just take a look into 10 most coolest gadgets on Amazon under $50. But before we dive in deep, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming updates to our channel. So let's get started with the gadget at number 10. Waterproof Phone Pouch. Discover the ultimate protection for your phone with this waterproof phone pouch from Amazon. Whether you're at the beach, pool, or hiking in unpredictable weather, this pouch keeps your device safe and dry. Its transparent design ensures easy access to your phone's features, while the adjustable neck strap offers convenience on the go. With its universal compatibility, it fits most smartphones, providing peace of mind for all your adventures. Don't let water ruin your day. Keep your phone secure with this reliable pouch. The coolest gadget, number 9, is Mini Projector. Transform any space into a cinematic experience with this mini projector available on Amazon. With its compact design and powerful performance, it's perfect for movie nights, presentations, or gaming sessions. Featuring high-definition resolution and multiple connectivity options, including HDMI and USB, it seamlessly connects to your mobile phone devices for crisp and vibrant visuals. Its portable size makes it ideal for indoor and outdoor use, offering versatility for any occasion. Elevate your entertainment with this mini projector and enjoy immersive viewing wherever you go. At number 8, it is Stress Relief Fidget Toys. Find tranquility in the palm of your hand with the Stress Relief Fidget Toys from Amazon. Crafted to alleviate anxiety and promote focus, these toys offer a tactile escape from daily stressors. With a variety of textures and shapes, they provide sensory stimulation to keep your mind engaged and relaxed. Compact and discreet, they're perfect for home, office, or travel use, offering relief whenever you need it most. Embrace calmness and enhance productivity with these essential fidget toys. Number 7. Egg Timer. Maximize efficiency in the kitchen with this egg timer. Designed to perfection, it ensures your eggs are cooked to your desired consistency every time. Its simple twist and set mechanism makes it effortless to use, while the clear markings guarantee accuracy. With its compact size, it won't clutter your countertop, yet its functionality will revolutionize your cooking routine. Say goodbye to overcooked or underdone eggs with this indispensable kitchen tool. Number 6. Foam Camera Lens Kit. Capture every moment with precision and creativity using this foam camera lens kit. Equipped with a variety of lenses including fisheye, wide-angle, and macro, it unlocks endless photographic possibilities right from your smartphone. Each lens is crafted with high-quality materials to ensure exceptional image clarity and detail. Easy to attach and compatible with most phone models, this kit is perfect for both amateur photographers and seasoned professionals. Elevate your mobile photography game and unleash your creativity with this versatile lens kit. Number 5. Reading Light for Books. Illuminate your reading experience with this reading light for books, available on Amazon. Engineered for comfort and convenience, this lightweight yet powerful light clips seamlessly onto your book, providing a glare-free illumination. With adjustable brightness settings and a flexible neck, you can customize the lighting to suit your preferences and environment. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel or bedtime reading, ensuring you can indulge in your favorite books anytime, anywhere. Enhance your reading journey with this reliable and versatile reading light. At number 4, it is the Amazon's coolest gadget for kitchen, the Electric Vegetable Chopper. Simplify meal preparation with this electric vegetable chopper from Amazon. Designed to streamline chopping tasks, this appliance effortlessly transforms vegetables into uniform pieces with just the press of a button. Its powerful motor and sharp blades ensure efficient cutting, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. With a spacious capacity and easy-to-clean design, it's perfect for everyday use. Whether you're creating salads, stir-fries, or soups, this vegetable chopper is a versatile addition to any kitchen arsenal. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to convenience with this innovative appliance. Number 3. Wireless Charging Stand. Experience the future of charging with this wireless charging stand. Sleek and efficient, this stand offers fast and convenient charging for your Qi-enabled devices. Its adjustable design allows for both vertical and horizontal positioning, making it perfect for watching videos or scrolling through notifications while charging. With built-in safety features like overcharge protection, you can charge your devices with peace of mind. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to effortless charging with this stylish and reliable wireless charging stand. Here's the eye safety gadget at number 2. The blue light blocking glasses. Protect your eyes from digital strain with these blue light blocking glasses. Designed to filter out harmful blue light emitted from screens, these glasses reduce eye fatigue and promote better sleep quality. With a stylish and lightweight frame, they are comfortable to wear for extended periods. Whether you're working on your computer, scrolling through your phone, or binge watching your favorite shows, these glasses are an essential accessory for anyone concerned about their eye health. Invest in your well-being and safeguard your vision with these blue light blocking glasses. Here comes the top coolest gadget at number 1. The Phone Soap UV Cell Phone Sanitizer. Ensure your phone stays clean and germ-free with the Phone Soap UV Cell Phone Sanitizer from Amazon. Utilizing powerful UVC light technology, this device eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and germs from your phone's surface in just a few minutes. Its spacious interior accommodates most smartphones, even with their cases on, providing comprehensive sanitization. With an additional USB port for charging, it's a multitasking solution for hygiene and battery life. Compact and portable, it's perfect for home, office, or travel use, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Protect yourself and your loved ones from harmful pathogens with this innovative phone sanitizer. As we wrap up today's video, we're eager to hear your thoughts. Share your feedback in the comment section below. We value your opinions. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Make sure to hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our future releases. We appreciate you tuning in. Thanks for watching.